Okay, to make the Mississippi pot roast, I'm taking a 4-pound chuck roast and I'm using my quick cooker. I've got it set on the sear setting and I am searing each of the edges. I did put about a tablespoon of vegetable oil in the bottom so that it doesn't stick. I've already got the ends done, or edges done here. You just want to move it around so it's on all sides, seared on all sides, the ends and the top and bottom. Sorry, it's steaming up my camera. You just want to get it on all the sides and the edges. What that does is it seals in the juices so all the juices don't run out. It's an important step that'll make a difference in the tenderness of your pot roast. Okay, now I'm going to add in 1 stick of butter right on top. I'm going to add in a whole jar of pepperoncinis with the juice. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of our ranch seasoning mix. 2 tablespoons equals about 1 packet. Got that one a little bit full, so I'll just do that. Okay, I'm going to add in 1 packet of au jus. Adding in 1 packet of au jus. That'll give us the beef broth taste. And it says to add 1.5 cups of water. So I'm going to do that. I'm just going to go ahead and add that water right over top. Alright. And then I'm going to set my quick cooker to 1.5 hours. I think I might do 2 minutes or 2 hours because I like mine to be very done. I don't like it medium or anything. I like it done. So I'm going to put that on that. I will set it for 2 hours. Let's see. Set it for 2 hours. So 120 minutes. And then we're going to push start. So the pressure will build up and then it will start counting down. And I'll meet you back here in 2 hours and show you what it looks like. Okay, I just took and turned my warmer off. You can see what it looks like after 2 hours. It's literally falling apart and it is absolutely delicious. I've got my grandbaby's fork because I didn't have any forks clean, but look at this. It's so tender and it's absolutely perfect. So dinner's ready in 2 hours. With this, I'm not going to put potatoes and carrots and stuff in, but I am going to put them in the oven and roast them. So that's what we're going to be having for dinner today, and some corn because my grandbaby loves corn. So look at that, how amazing. So I'm just going to leave it on warm, and that's what it looks like. I hope you'll try this recipe. I'll leave the link to it below in my description box. I hope you're all having a great day. It's a rainy day here in the mountains of eastern Kentucky, and we're going to have some good comfort food for dinner tonight. See you soon. God bless you and take care. Bye. A good little side dish to have with our roast is some oven roasted carrots. So I've got a bag of baby carrots. I just put them in a cookie sheet. I sprinkle them with some olive oil and some salt and pepper generously. Okay. Carrots are so good roasted. They actually become very sweet and sugary, so they make a great side dish. So I hope you'll try this out.